Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Westjet Travel Bank. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be brought to a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or go and register to Westjet if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, your flights, vacations, offers, and everything. Here you can go and book a flight. And in the top right corner, everything about your profile where you can go and view your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Westjet Travel Bank. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, you need to sign into your Westjet Rewards account. So as I said, then select your flights and continue to the payment step. So first of all, as you can see in the book flight, you need to go and put everything, all the details about your flight, the return date, the departure date, where you're going to, and everything, and go to the payment step. Your travel bank balance will appear with the option to apply the credit to your purchase. Choose to apply all or a portion of your travel bank balance toward the cost of your flights. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.